Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import dynamic heads into Roblox Studio fast and easily. Let's jump right in. First, open up Roblox Studio. Now look at the bottom of your screen for the command bar. If you don't see it, no worries, just go up to the View tab, click on Command Bar, and it should appear. Now that we've got that ready, we're going to paste in a simple script. You can find this script in the video description. Just copy it and paste it directly into the command bar. Next, we need a bundle ID. So head over to the Roblox website, open the marketplace, and search for dynamic head. Pick any head you like. For this example, I'll use the shocked, confused dynamic head. Click on it and look at the URL. You'll see a number in there. That's your bundle ID. Just copy that. Now go back into Roblox Studio and replace the bundle ID in the script with the one you just copied. Once that's done, go ahead and press Enter to run the script. You should now see the dynamic head appear in your workspace. And if it looks a bit black or strange, don't worry, that's completely normal. Now let's attach it to our character. Expand the model, find the head folder, and copy it. You can check again if this head is a dynamic head or not by expanding the head folder. You will see the face control object if it is a dynamic head. Then select your rig, delete the old head, and paste the new one right into the rig. You might need to adjust the position a little so it fits nicely. Just move it into place. And once you're done, you can delete the extra imported model if you want to keep things clean. Alright, moment of truth. Click play. And there you go. Your dynamic head is now fully working on your character. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If this helped you out, feel free to check out my other tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.